Hello everyone, welcome again to the data analysis using Stata. In this episode, I will guide you on how to use the condition if and the logical connectors and versus or and or. Let's pay attention to the theory to understand each of these elements. If is used to subset or filter observations based on a specified condition. Logical operators. We have equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal. Logical connectors, and or. And it is used to combine multiple conditions in such a way that all the specified conditions must be true for an observation to be included, or is expressed using the vertical bar. This is used as a logical operator to combine conditions in which either one or both conditions should be true. Going to the practice, we can use the command window that I have shown you in the first episode. Check the description to watch this episode if you lost it. But as I said in the last episode, if you want to create your own do file, feel free to copy and paste the results that will pop up on the output window. We have already opened our datasets. This dataset we have used on the episode 5, which we have performed the command append. You can look at the description of this video and you'll see the link of the episode 5 so that you can download the dataset. We can check to know better and guide ourselves in what we intend to do. Okay, so after checking the dataset structure, we decided that we wanted to keep and work only with maize or sorghum, these two crops, maize and we have sorghum. Click on the crop that you want and look at the value box to see the value or code of this crop. For example, maize, looking here, is 11. If we want sorghum, instead of looking, since we have a lot of crops, we can find what we want. Sorg. And we can see that the value of sorghum is 13. The other goal is to work only with the regions of Dodoma or Iringa. Using the same procedure to check the value in each of them, Dodoma is 1, by typing here, Iringa is 11. So let's execute the command to have what we want. If this is the condition, crop, the variable, y2 equals signs, because we are using if. When we use if, when we use this condition, we should use two equal signs. Crop is 13 or crop is equal to 11. We have seen the codes already. Now we have seen that 49,571 observations has deleted. Let's browse. And we can see that on variable crop we only have maize and sorghum. Okay. Only maize and sorghum. But as I said before, we want to work only with the regions of Dodoma and Iringa. Let's perform. Keep if. What's the name of the variable? Ridge is equal to 1 or ridge is equal to 11, which represents the two regions that we want to work Dodoma, and Iringa. 28,011 observation has deleted. Let's check. We only have now Dodoma and Iringa, okay? And we have remained with only 2,495 observations. It's here. But let's try to use the connector AND rather than OR to see what can happen. Let's clear and open again the dataset without saving, of course. Okay, keep if crop is equal to 13 and crop is equal to 11. Whoa, just check the difference now. 80,077 observations have deleted from the dataset. Let's browse. There is no more observations here. So we need to be careful when we are using the connectors. We need to know what we want before we use one of these connectors. Using the condition if and the connectors is very important when we have the intention to filter some observation and when we want to manage the dataset properly. To keep me uploading new episodes of data analysis using Stata, we could use the following command. Please subscribe to the channel and see you soon.